Earlier this week on Instagram, I posted this photo. It was a sponsorship with Ulta Beauty, and I ended up getting a few comments and DMs with questions about the products that I used and requests to just recreate the look here on YouTube. So that's what we're doing today. I'm showing you my ultimate drugstore bronzy glow makeup tutorial. But first, if you're new here, hi, my name is Miranda. Welcome to my channel where we talk all things budget beauty. If that sounds interesting to you, then become the newest member of the Slashed Squad by hitting subscribe and the bell icon. Today I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. Now I am extremely upset to confirm that this is going to be discontinued. I'm so confused because it's such an amazing foundation. Now I've still spotted them in Walmart, but I know that once they're out, they're not going to be restocked. So if you like this foundation as much as I do, you're gonna want to grab your backups. I think I have like 4 bottles as backup, but once they're done, I'm gonna be so sad. Oh my gosh. That looks way gnarlier on camera than it does in real life. So I got a paper cut on my eyelid. It is as painful as it sounds. So I'm gonna have to be a little bit careful with my eyeshadow today. So when I was shopping to create this Instagram post, I saw the Ultra Slim Brow Pencil, and this is my favorite type of brow product. Fine tip brow pencils are just my jam because you can really mimic individual hair strokes while defining and filling in the brow easily, and it usually ends up looking really natural still. So one of the products that I got a lot of questions on Instagram about was this Makeup Revolution Molten Body Glow. This is basically a liquid bronzer for the face and body. It's not a self-tanner. It will definitely give you a bronzy glow, but it's not going to develop or process on your skin. You can take it off at the end of the day with a makeup wipe or just taking a shower. So there are a lot of different ways you can use this. You can pump a tiny bit into your foundation, you can blend it around the face for warmth, or rub a little bit into the body for an all-over blurred and bronzed effect. So I am going to add just a tiny bit to my face. Now a little goes a long way with this product. This is literally how much I'm going to start out with. And I'm gonna tap a little bit onto my hairline and then start blending it. This brush is also from Makeup Revolution. I'm not sure if they still make them. It was when toothbrush style makeup brushes were super popular, but I really don't see a lot of people using them anymore. So see, that's just adding a little bit of warmth and bronze to the face. I do feel like this ends up blending into the skin just a little bit better than powder. It just looks very sun-kissed. Just to get an idea of what it would look like if you wanted to put it like on your skin. See how it adds like a bronzy shimmer? Really pretty. I am going to add a matte contour using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Deep Bronze because I don't like using shimmer bronzers as a contour. It doesn't add enough dimension. It doesn't add really all that much shadow, but a warm matte contour during summer definitely lends itself to that I've been outside vibe. I'm gonna be using the blush shade from the Ulta Beauty 3-in-1 Baked Palette. This is the warm theme, which is called Hawaiian Sunrise. I believe they have 3 versions of this palette, but it is so high impact and very glowy. You really don't need a lot. We already added so much color to the face. But with a look like this, my skin is more of my statement, so I don't mind being generous with my bronzer and my blush because I'm not gonna be doing a lot with my eyes or lips. Now, I finally picked up one of the ColourPop Lite sticks for the first time. I had never tried these before. This is an Ulta exclusive shade called Acting Up, which is sort of like a pearlized peach. So on my skin tone, I can get away with using this as a traditional highlight. If you are a little paler than I am, then it's probably more so going to be appropriate as a luminous blush because of the shade. So you can definitely see the sort of champagne reflection that it has. So pretty. It just gives you that beaming sheen. It's not glittery at all. There's fine shimmer in it. Yeah, see, even on my nose, it looks a tad pink. Since it looks a little pink on my nose, I'm just gonna take the highlight shade from the Ulta palette and tap it over. Although it does give you that sort of slightly sunburn look, you know? Now, when I have like a bronzy skin statement going on, I keep the eyes pretty simple, but what I'll typically do is blend a single shade all over the lid so I still kind of have a pop. And I'm so glad that I discovered this liquid eyeshadow because it is perfect for this look. It is the L'Oreal Brilliant Eyes liquid eyeshadow in the shade Precious Lava, which is such a beautiful glowy gold. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swipe that onto the eye, and then you have time to play with it and blend it out with the finger. You can just kind of tap at it, get rid of harsh lines, and then you just have this really pretty glowy lid look going on. What I love about this liquid eyeshadow is that even though it does have that metallic reflection, it doesn't dry down to look flaky or chunky at all, which a lot of liquid eyeshadows do. It's just a really nice even wash of color. And once this dries down, it does not move. It doesn't smear, it doesn't crease, even without primer. And I would say that my lids do get pretty oily throughout the day. So I'm going to line my top waterline with my Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous liner. And I'll go ahead and add a little bit of mascara, but I'm gonna be putting on some falsies. Today, I'm gonna be using some BH Cosmetics lashes. These are the M205. Holy Toledo. These are long lashes. What the heck? They did not look this long in the packaging. All right, we got the lashes on. They're a little bit more extra than I was planning, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna top off this look with the Ulta Beauty Tinted Juice Infused Lip Oil. So this reminds me a lot of the CoverGirl tinted lip oils, but these are a few dollars less and just as good. I have the shade Coral Punch, which I think is the perfect summer shade. Tinted lip oils have been my jam because my lips are so chapped recently. Although they're getting a lot better, I actually picked up a medicated Blistex product. It's not the normal lip balm. It comes in like a white tube, and that's really helped repair my lips. This smells amazing. It's just nice and juicy. Here's the finished look. I absolutely love how this makes my skin look just so bronzed and luminous. And even though I don't have a lot going on with my eyes, which is typically the feature I like to play up on my face, I still feel very glam in this. Let me know what type of budget beauty video you want to see next here on my channel in the comments below. Today's shout out goes to this person. I have no idea how to say your username, but you leave the sweetest comments, so thank you. And join me over in this video next where I share my go-to no makeup look and my go-to full glam look all in one video. I'll see you over there. Bye!